Crafting with Sam. Today is Wednesday, September 18th. Guess what I was working on earlier? I'm going to do a video tomorrow on me finishing it. I was just kind of too tired to work on it to try and finish the rest of it, so I just took a break for right now, but that's what I was working on because I didn't feel like working on the big one today. It just was not a day for that. But, however, guess what? I got a package. This came from the lovely Diamonds by Teeda. She and I did a swap. I love doing the swaps because, you know, you get to know everyone in the diamond painting community, and you get to know what their likes and dislikes and, you know, what they prefer, you know, and you just get to know them better as a person, too, really. But thank you so much, Teeda. This is the second package I ever got from her. She sent me a birthday gift last month. So let's just dive right in this puppy. If I can cut it open. And I knew this is from Teeda because it said it was out for delivery, for one, when I tracked it today. And two, my other two orders were coming after this date, so. Okay. Let's do this. I'm gonna push you over this side, actually. I'm gonna put the chair down. Girl, there's lots of stuff in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna start off with these first. You're just gonna have to see these. They're diamonds! Oh. Girl! Diamonds aren't always a girl's best friend. There's a pack of... It's a 50 pack. I had to look at the package. But there's like different diamonds to put in. Oh, I'm putting these in my journal. I love putting stickers in my journal because I journal a lot. And I've been obsessed with these stickers lately. So thank you. There's all the other ones. Whoa, Nelly. Stickers falling down. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Girl, you like know me. And we talk constantly too, Teeda and I. Yeah, okay, so those are all those stickers. And then she got me a keychain. And it says, "You are amazing. Remember that." How cute and adorable. Thank you. I thought it was double-sided, but it's not. It's one. I'm okay with that. And then, okay, you guys know I'm going to Disney, and I'm like going all out. I bought pins. You guys know that because I bought them from Temu, and they came in the other day when I did my other video. And she sent me the cutest keychain to put on my bag. Oh, isn't that adorable? I mean, look at it. It's Minnie Mouse. Now, I don't know the links or anything for any of this. You may have to ask Teeda that yourself, because I do have trouble posting links on my channel. But I can tag her in the video. But oh, girl, I love this. I cannot wait to put this on my bag because it'll go good with my other keychains I have. I bought a Stitch one, and I have like just a plain. Somebody made me with a Cricut one, and it has like my name on it, and it has like the Minnie Mouse ones. So yeah, okay. Next we have the toolkit. Oh, I don't have this one. Okay, this is adorable. It's a special shaped unicorn. I'm going to show you the drills. Hang on a second, I just need water. So there's, okay, I'm going to show you these three first actually. So two pink and a black drill, and then these ones come in a choo-choo train. Now I got that thing stuck in my head. Such pretty colors. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Of course, this may be a little bit longer video because I do have a lot to show you. Just so you know, so you may want to grab a snack or bring out your diamond painting or coloring or cross stitching, whichever one you do. I don't do cross stitching. I've tried and that did not go well. Let's just say that and call it a day, shall we? Okay, this is a cute little one. Oh my. If I can. There we go. Oh, there we go. It was stuck. Standard toolkit. Okay. So she got me an S. It's a little 20 by 20. And I think it's gonna turn out cute. It is mixed with color blocking and confetti. It is 15 colors. And there's the DMC code right there. This one is all letters. No numbers, no nothing. So that's nice. I'll show you the drills. My arm is sore for whatever reason. I don't know why. Did anyone watch the eclipse last night? It was beautiful. I got some great pictures. I'll maybe try and add a little slideshow of the pictures I got. My mom has a great camera phone. Mine can't do that. I don't know why, but hers can. So I got some really, really good pictures of it. So lots of blues, purple, beige, more blues, teals. They call it like a box train when the drills come in like this. And so here's a cute little S. I hope she gets her soon. I know she said that sometimes with Temu, with her, it takes a little bit longer to get, but she will get it eventually. Wow, already 11 minutes in. I'm gonna do this one. Oh, this one's cute. Oh, it's Elsa. Standard toolkit. It is a 30 by 30, 14 colors, and it's special shaped. I think it's 14 colors. Yeah, it's 14 colors. It's so pretty. I never saw this one when I was on there. I'm not going to take the drills out of this one, but I will show you there's two different ones. Some other drills. So here's a lot one. Next, oh, she's a Christmas fairy. Toolkit. This one's 10 colors and 30 by 30. Look at her. I love her detail. See, this is why I really, really love partials, because they bring out the detail. I love her wings. I'm going to take a look at the drills in this one. Very nice Christmas colors. Red teardrops, green teardrops. Very nice colors. Can't wait to do this one on at Christmas time, because she's doing an event off the canvas for December, and I'm doing mine off the canvas in November, and I'm doing Christmas in December. So I know it's hard keeping up with all these events and stuff, but don't forget, my event 2 is spooky fun. Now, I have an Instagram. It's CraftySam24. Okay? Make sure you go follow me on there, and then you can message me your pictures and stuff, and I'll do a slideshow and whatever. I'll do all that. Okay? So make sure you go follow. It's CraftySam24. I had another one, but I don't remember the password, and it's not letting me like reopen it. So yeah, make sure you do that if you want to be in my event for October. Talking makes me thirsty for some reason. So next is I wanted this one and I couldn't get it. Teeda got me it. I seriously had this in my cart and it sold out on me. I was so mad. Oh. It comes with an inventory sheet. So, okay. Looks like, okay, it's in alphabetical order, except for 1. The letter 2 is not number 2, it's a letter Z. But number 1 is 1, number 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 5, 6 is 6, 7 and 7. So it's all the way right to number 9 except for number 2. That's really weird. But it's a Tinkerbell Hello Kitty. I really wanted this one. So I'm glad you got me this one, girl. I really am happy about that. But look at her. And I'm not taking the drills out of this one. So I'm just going to show them like this as best I can. Lots of green and beige. Some browns in there too. There's the white and that's 5,200. So yeah. So there's that one. And I have 2 more. No, 3 more. Wow. I think this muscle is so, I don't know if maybe overdid it with something or what. Oh my goodness. This is cute. There, toolkit. Okay, so this is a 30 by 30. And this canvas is all in letters and it's 20 colors. It's a cute pink ghost with the witch's hat. And I love the moon in the background. At least I think it's a moon. It's either a moon or a crystal ball. I can't tell, but I think it could be both. So there's that one. This one is all letters. And this one as well. And here's all the colors. Lots of pretty pinks. There's a little bit of purple. There's black, there's that one. Here's the canvas again. Okay. Why did anything so difficult to open? There we go. The second last one. Aww. Aww. Oh. This is 10 colors and it's a Christmas reindeer. How adorable. Oh. Yeah, this one makes me really happy. You did good, girl. Thank you. Wow. Let's look at the drills really quickly, because it is only 10 colors. So definitely a red, green, or no, that's brown, sorry. That's red. Silver, oh, pink, there's the green. Pink teardrops, green teardrops, and the little circles. So there's a little Christmas reindeer. I don't know if we're out of time for a nap even. I didn't sleep the greatest last night either. I just kind of was tossing and turning quite a bit, so that kind of really kept me up. So this one's a 30 by 30. The struggle bus is so real. I feel Jack now when she can't open things. There we go. Oh, this one's different. Oh wait, I have seen this one. But I didn't get this one. I thought about it, but I didn't. But now I'm glad I didn't, because now she got me it. It's a cute snail. It's a rainbow snail. Yeah, this is going to be the rainbow snail. That's its name. Say hi, rainbow snail. Oh, wow. I can't. I'm sorry. Minute. Okay. Whew. My face is even red. Oh my goodness. Anyways, like I said, I did have it in my cart and I hemmed and hawed about it a few times and I just didn't get it, but now I have it. It is cute and adorable. I've even seen the one that matches. I'm gonna have to find that one again. It was a rainbow caterpillar. I'm gonna have to get that one now to match the snail. Yeah, it was definitely the rainbow caterpillar that I saw. So I'm gonna get the rainbow caterpillar to match the rainbow snail now. Oh, my Lanta. Oh. And it's 9 colors, not 10. Yeah, okay. Ooh. I've never gotten these drills before. Okay, I'm gonna show those last then. But you pretty much got, oh, there's no red in here. You just got silver, green, dark green, gold, purple, blue, purple teardrops, gold circles, and these pretty drills. Oh my, I never gotten those. Those are really, really different. I like them. So thank you again, Teeda, so much. That is everything I have for you today. And make sure you guys go check out her channel. She also has a Facebook group called Diamonds by Teeda and Crafts, I think. Yeah, Diamonds by Teeda and Crafts and More, I think, or something like that. Or if you just go right to her YouTube channel, I'm pretty sure she has a link to her Facebook group. So yeah, check that out. So that is it. Thank you so much again, Teeda. I love everything. And thank you just for being a dear friend of mine. And I love talking to you. I can't wait for your reaction to what I got you. I hope you like everything as well. I can't wait for that video. So make sure you guys watch that one. So here's the rainbow snail again. Oh, yeah. Alrighty, you guys, that's it. Thank you so much, and love one another. Keep on diamond painting, and if anyone else wants to do a swap with me, I'm game. You know, I sadly can't do over like UK and stuff like that. But if you're in the United States or Canada, you know, just message me on Instagram, CraftySam24. So make sure you send me pics of what you want to do for your spooky canvas event, and I'll get a slideshow going and everything like that. So yeah, love one another and keep on diamond painting. Bye guys.